Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I am back with a video that I have not done in a really long time, and it's a makeup video. Like not just eyebrows, actual makeup. This palette to be specific. I got this from the Revolution Beauty website. It is called Sunshine Makes Me Happy. It was £5 and I ordered it because I thought it was a really cute palette and I wanted to do a little review on it, but I didn't realise how tiny it was. Like, it is teeny or weeny, like tiny, absolutely teeny. Like, this is my brush and you can sort of see how small it is. So I'm just gonna do a quick swatch and then I'm gonna do a little bit of an eye and we'll see how it goes. I would like to do a disclaimer of that I taught myself makeup by watching YouTube videos. I'm not good. This is in by no means in any way a tutorial. This is just me having fun with makeup because that's what I like to do. So yeah, £5. Makeup Obsession at London. Makeup Obsession Sunshine Makes Me Happy eyeshadow palette. I haven't even swatched it yet. I'm just going to take this little bit of plastic off. So you've got 9 shades. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers. No, 6 proper shimmers. Like, these are all the ones that aren't yellow are shimmers, but then this yellow looks like it has a little bit of glitter in it as well. So yeah, pretty. They've all got names, which is nice. There's a little mirror, which I appreciate. Not that I'm going to use it, but it's nice. So I will swatch them here, and I need a wipe to clean my fingers. So before we get into the swatches, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. That would be amazing. There is an absolutely humongous proportion of people who watch my videos that aren't subscribed. I'll put the actual percentage on the screen, but it is ridiculous. So just, if you watch me, just click the little subscribe. That'd be amazing. So yeah, let's jump in. I'm gonna go across in rows, so I'll do 3 at a time.
So we've got Rooftop Vibes. My fingers are like nearly too big to go in these tiny pans. Rooftop Vibes, Ray and Sunset. So Rooftop Vibes, you can't see that. Ray, oh that's pretty, and Sunset. You can sort of see the pigment on that one, but I'm very pale, and these shimmers are quite pale too. I will take a picture at the end and put them in. But that's the top row. Next we have Beach Please, Sandy Toes, and Bronzed Goddess. These all look very similar on my fingers. That one looks a little bit more golden. Oh, that one's pretty. Oh, that's pretty as well. You can sort of see the shimmers on there. And then the bottom row is Buttercup, Sunrise and Glow. Buttercup. Buttercup, ooh, Sunrise and Glow. Oh, I love them.
There you go. That is the palette. Right, to start with, I'm going to go into Buttercup. There is a little bit of fallout, but nothing crazy. And I'm just gonna, oh, I love it, run this through the crease. I do very messy makeup, so just be aware of that. I'm not all about precision, I just cannot be asked. That is such a pretty colour. I like yellows, but I always find that they sort of, you put them on and you're like, ah, and then you blend them and then they just blend out to nothing. But so far, that is staying. I like it. I'm obviously not going to use every single colour on my eye because that would be ridiculous. It is just a random Saturday and we're just going to go and do some shopping. Essential shopping, not crap we don't need. That's gone on really nicely. Look how nice and bright that is. And then I'm going to go into Sunrise, the one next to it, which looks a little bit darker. Again, a little bit of fallout, but nothing crazy. And just concentrate that more a bit lower. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love it. This brush is dirty. Quite a bit of fallout on my lashes. Let me see if I can zoom you in without my camera shitting its pants. And you see all on the end of my lashes, there's lots of yellow. Just be aware, that's why I always do my eyeshadow first, because I don't want to get it on my face. There's not a lot of difference in the colours, if I'm honest, but it's a very pretty yellow. I do really like it. And then what colour are we going to do on the lid? I want to just use the other yellow as well. I'm just going to get that on a little bit of a denser brush. This is the one that looked like it had a bit of glitter in it, but doesn't actually show up on your eye with glitter. It all just looks like yellow, to be honest. I think you could probably do that just with one colour and just build it up where you want it, rather than using 3 different ones. But I wanted to use them all to see what they were like. So yeah, it's nice. It's really nice and bright. I really do like that. And then I'm going to use, what one do I want to use? I think I want to use Sandy Toes, the middle one, on my lid. And I'm literally just going to, oh, it's pretty. I think if I was not testing this out and just using it, I would get another palette and get like a sort of burnt orange maybe just in this corner to darken it up. But I just want to use this palette today, so I won't like go into another one. And that is really pretty. Look how nice and reflective that is. Okay, I think that is all I'm going to do on the top. I will quickly do the other eye and then my base, and then we'll come back and do my under eyes. Okay, I've done my base and my eyeliner, and I'm gonna finish my under eyes. I think I'm just gonna go in with a mixture of all 3 yellows just underneath, to be honest, because they're all very similar. They're very nice yellows, but they are all very similar. Again, if I was gonna, if I wasn't like doing this for a video, I would get like a nice dark orange and do that underneath, I think, just to kind of give it a bit of depth. But it's a really pretty yellow. I just wish it wasn't in this tiny little thing, and I know it's like good for travel and stuff, but I don't travel anywhere, and I know it's not obviously just made for me. That's ridiculous. But I wish the pans were a little bit bigger, because I feel like I'm going to use this a lot because I really like the yellow, but I'm going to just hit pan really soon, so be interesting. I'll have a look on their website and see if they do any of these colours like as singles, so you could put in a Z palette. That would be quite good. So that is that. Where is a tiny brush? I want a teeny weeny brush.
A few moments later.
I'm going to get a little bit of Beach Please and just put that right in my inner corner, just to brighten that up even more. Ben just came through while I was filming and was like, "Is that yellow?" I was like, "Yeah," and he was like, "It's different." So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna chuck on some mascara and then we'll come back. Right, my face is finished. This is the finished eye look. I'm really happy with it. My eyeliner doesn't match, but I don't care. So yeah, I think it's a really, really pretty palette. I just wish it was a little bit bigger. There was other ones as well. I will put on the screen how many other ones there are and like what the colour combos are. But yeah, that is the finished yellow eyes. So yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. Subscribe, like the video, put the bell on if you feel like it. I'm running a giveaway at the moment, which I will link somewhere for you guys, and that is a Revolution Beauty giveaway. And I've also got another giveaway on my Instagram, which I will link as well. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.